Hello friends, welcome to Stock Market Pulse. I am Nitika. Let's check the pulse of stock market. So today we'll discuss some important stock market data which came in last week, along with discuss some important Q4 earning update also, and we'll analyze the Nifty Bank chart, and we'll discuss the important key levels for next week. So to know the important stock market update and the levels for Nifty Bank for next week, stay connected till the end and smash the like button and subscribe to the channel for regular index level update and stock market update all in one video. So let's start video with the important data which came last week. And the number one is CPI inflation data. CPI inflation is now at 3.16%, which was in last month 3.34%. April CPI inflation data is now at 3.16% from 3.34% last month, has decreased. So this is a positive good sign, and because if inflation is now little bit down from the last month. Number 2 is April WPI, wholesale price index inflation data, is now at 0.85%. Last month means March month, it was on 2.05%. So from 2.05%, the WPI inflation data is now at 0.85% MOM, which is also a good sign, positive sign. So these two important data is very positive for the stock market. And yes, stock market reacted on it also, and that we'll discuss in we'll analyze in chart. I will show you, and these important data is really positive. Along with that, some important results the company has reported in last week, which was इनमें से जो important है वो नंबर वन था टाटा मोटर. तो टाटा मोटर हैज रिपोर्टेड इट्स Q4 अर्निंग, which is their profit is at 8,470 crore, and they are also not good. I think yes, जहाँ तक मुझे याद है, they have reported 50%, 51% around uh, less profit, less from the last year, y on y. So 51% का प्रॉफिट डाउन हुआ है, तो दैट मीन्स द टाटा मोटर has posted a disappointing result. But still the stock has not reacted that bad, means stock was neutral, I can say. And Tata Motor is showing good sign also, बिकॉज कोई कितना गिरेगा, तो मीन्स टाटा मोटर काफ़ी ऑलरेडी गिर चुका है, इवन 50% अराउंड गिर चुका है. तो नाउ इट इज़ नॉट शोइंग एनी वेरी नेगेटिव साइन ऑन दिस बैड Q4 earning. Number two important result was Bharti Airtel. It was also neutral, good. We can say not very bad. And number three was the Tata Power. Tata Power result. Tata Power really posted a very good Q4 earning. They have posted 1,300 crore profit, and which is actually in positive, means it has increased. They have increased their profit from the last year y on y. So Tata Power also thumbs up, posted good results. HAL, yes, HAL also reported, which is important company to post because defense sector is doing very good. So HAL has posted their result, which was also slightly negative. They have posted their negative profit, but still HAL also not responding negatively on their Q4 earning, and they were just rallying. The all the defense sectors stocks were rallying last week. So HAL is also thumbs up as a fundamental. We see HAL is very good companies, तो एक दो क्वार्टर खराब होने का उस पर कोई इफेक्ट ज़्यादा नहीं पड़ता. तो yes, they have also posted not good result, but yes, they are rallying, still rallying. So three, four important results I have discussed in short, and I have updated about all that. Now let's quickly go to the Nifty Bank chart, and you can see the Nifty Bank chart, what all happening, and you can understand this line. I always drawing this line, which is a 53,600, 53,600 का जो एक बहुत ही important support है, which is I'm not going to leave it, and this is the final support. And you, if this line, you can see this trend line and this trend line, if you see and understand it, give attention. So see this, from here it has given a gap up opening, and from there, this Nifty Bank is trading in this range from here: 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5, 4, and then it came here, gap down opening, and then again 4, then here. And this is also 20 EMA of Nifty Bank. So this blue line, you can see 20 EMA. This time, this week, you can see last week, if we talk about last week, this has purely and clearly taken support here on 20 EMA. ओके, 10 20 EMA पे इसने बहुत ही अच्छा सपोर्ट लिया है, 1, 2, 3, 4, और उसके बाद से यहाँ पे इसने अगेन it has taken a pause, or we can say resistance, और यहाँ पे ही रुका हुआ था last Friday. So you can see clearly this range is very important range. The Nifty Bank is trading within this range, or we don't know if it's going to break this trend line in next week, or it is taking resistance and going to backward to this support, which I am again taking, which is for 54,300. Clearly safer support can be 54,300, और यहाँ के बाद में अगर इसको भी ब्रेक किया तो एक ये लास्ट ट्रेंड लाइन दिख रही है, which is again will be the second support for the Nifty Bank, which is 53,600. ये वाली line, you can see here, this exactly taken support in this line, and here close भी यहीं पे हो गया, तो this 53,600 again took Nifty Bank took the support and again went up. So this line is very important. और if you see last जो मैंने डिस्कस किया था सीज फायर का, द न्यूज केम ऑफ सीज फायर विच हैपेंड ऑन 10th, अराउंड 10th, विच वाज ऑन संडे. So this was on weekend था, on 10th the ceasefire happened, and 12th को final Monday when market opened, it was totally positive. And even I have discussed also, if you see the video last week video, if you'll see, you can see clearly I have mentioned that in both video, market, I mean Nifty and Nifty Bank both, Nifty 50 and Nifty Bank both can give a good opening, a gap up opening. I mentioned the gap up, it may happen the gap up. So a gap up happened in both the index, in Nifty 50 also, and Nifty Bank, maybe both the index given a gap up opening from here to directly here. How big gap up happened, यहाँ पे close हुआ, which was 53,600, 600, and from there, from here, it has opened on Monday, it has opened at 4,650. तो मतलब पूरा 1000 पॉइंट का, अराउंड 1000 पॉइंट का गैप अप हो गया ऑन मंडे बिकॉज ऑफ दैट सीज फायर न्यूज. एंड द मार्केट फ्रॉम देयर, इट इज कंसोलिड द निफ्टी बैंक इज कंसोलिडेटिंग इन दिस लेवल. अभी मैं नहीं कहूंगी कि निफ्टी बैंक हैज ब्रोकन दिस लाइन, बट यस इट मे ब्रेक, but still it has a big resistance at 56,100, which is its all time high, 56,100. तो अभी भी अगर इसको ब्रेक भी करता है तो 56,100 तक जा सकता है, विच आई कैन गिव द रेजिस्टेंस फॉर द नेक्स्ट वीक. और अगर इसको नहीं ब्रेक करता, इट्स नॉट ब्रेकिंग दिस, इट मे take a support here, which is very good support at 54,300. And after that, again my final support is 53,600. I'm not going beyond that, no reason going beyond that, and I'm sticking with these important level. And you can definitely draw these lines, can keep this picture in your mind, this range in your mind, and be mindful with the important levels I am telling. So these important key level for the next week: the Nifty Bank support 54,300, and then 53,600, and resistance 56,100. This will be a final resistance Nifty Bank may face, but only after breaking this line, which is 50 5,500 अराउंड, यस 5,500 बोल सकते हैं, जो कि शायद ये जो आप ये ट्रेंड लाइन ले लो, ये ट्रेंड लाइन इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। और यहाँ पे मुझे अगर एग्जैक्टली देखूँ तो 55,400 दिख रहा है, बट मुझे लगता है कि निफ्टी बैंक में ब्रेक दिस 55,400 वेरी इजीली इन नेक्स्ट वीक, और मे गो टू दिस 56,100. For me, 56,100 will be a very important resistance level. So for you all, I will repeat the level again, the final levels. For Nifty Bank for next week, support 54,300, and then 53,600, and resistance 56,100. So this was all I can discuss in detail the Nifty Bank and important data which came in last week, and important Q4 results which the company has posted in last week. So these was important update for the stock market. For the Nifty 50 video, please watch on Sunday. I am posting the Nifty 50 levels for next week on Sunday, and this video for the Nifty Bank. So please go through the Nifty 50 levels and important global data also for next for tomorrow, and like and share the video, and subscribe the channel for regular indices update, and indices levels, and important stock market update. Signing off.